Rocket ship.
We could farm a couple things here, see if we can get up for the echo.
Damn it. The child! Well, that filled you up.
There's another one down here. Breakfast.
Breakfast. The Neophytes are really good at dodging spears, annoyingly.
Except we have 2 spears, you can't dodge both of us.
Well, that could probably get his attention. Cool.
Where done.
Give me a second.
Oop.
Oh yeah, great.
Information without him, I think.
Yeah.
Excellent hunt.
Good hunt. Oh. Do they all go away, or are they in the ground somewhere?
I think they're in the ground somewhere. You've got the big ones. And help. Look what I found.
Oh, hey. Oh god, they're up there, aren't they?
Yeah, they're up there. But in fact, this is his spear. He's trying to get him out.
Fuck, I tried to jump for it. Ooh.
I got, like,
There's one. Remains.
Nah. We need you. We're both dead. There's a scavenger outside. If you can get out of the basin and then back in, you should be fine. But he's waiting out there.
He knows.
There, she's back.
Alright, I'm back.
Right. So,
You both are dead, and
yep, we're both dead.
Observe the scene before you.
Yeah, okay. Where even am I?
You're currently in that shelter. If you can pop out and pop back in.
Okay. He's so ready! I'm kind of waiting for him to come through.
I think you have enough food to like just dip in and out. So if you can at least like peek your head out long enough to.
Yeah, we've got enough food for it.
Wow, so good at the game!
The big noodle fly in the room isn't helpful.
Yeah, we're back at full karma.
Is that what you guys were doing? Just farming for karma?
Yeah, there's like we killed some lizards and some noodle flies and scavs.
Nice. I'm sorry. Last I remember, I plummeted to my death twice and then got carried away to the heavens. And now I am the hero.
Survivor!
Yeah.
We have 1 point of it.
Great. What even gets you the oh jeez. Oh fuck.
We gotta go. Can we still eat? I think they might be out of food.
Why are we wobbly? That's because there's an echo nearby.
Yep.
Oh, there's bats that took all the spears.
I mean,
What's this plant?
I also won't have trouble then.
What's this plant do?
Right, so we want to head down.
Oh no. It is the drugs.
Why did we let the baby eat the drugs?
I forgot that. Oh god. It's spooky. I like the music.
It's spicy.
It's a spicy. It's a spicy baby. Eat stick. Or can. Oh, duh.
Then we can go up here.
There it is. Yep. That's hard to spot it with like that. Oh shit! It's just
Hello.
there.
No.
Look,
Why do you already have? Oh, why are you already awakened?
Hunter's start with it, so you can automatically understand the echoes.
Oh, that's right. I forgot about that. I'm so used to doing the pilgrimage with the survivor.
I have had several fuck ups as my hunter run, so I am vaguely versed in hunterism. Like technically, I know the route we want to take. I'm not very good at the route we want to take.
Yeah.
Unlock potential. Oh,
Well, that was weird.
Noodle's back. Time for spaghetti. Let me. Why is it Chloe?
We both hesitated and we both jumped at the same time.
Woo, woo, woo. Oh, my drugs are back. Nice.
Yeah, I made it.
We have a quick pixie.
Yeah.
Do you want it?
I don't want to go that way. I don't like the look of that way.
Damn it.
Oh, get the boy, get the boy, get the boy.
I have a spear to get the boy.
Get serious!
What is he fucking doing?
I just got power dunked. I tried to toss the noodle at the lizard, see if I can get him to be friend. He did not want to be friend.
Yeah, that's why I'm going this way.
Father, I require uppies.
Uppies with the baby.
Uppies. Up, please, uppies.
I realised that as soon as that happened. Run, baby, run!
Where am I going?
Anywhere!
Not that way. I was like, what the fuck is this blue thing? Yeah, this is a dead end, but there are
There's
spears
spears.
here.
Daddies.
Well, that's
Go.
impressive handstand.
Yeah, that was.
There was a spear on the other side of that if you wanted to spear that faster.
Don't really. You said this is a dead end. Where am I meant to be heading?
Left.
Okay.
Essentially back to where we found the echo. Is the route
Oh,
I
that's
know.
it, Noodle boy. Okay. I am not in the best places. Okay, you can just piss off. No, that's not. No, come on, dude, sir, come on.
Come on.
What the- This is not. What is he doing? Oh fuck! You were meant to get this.
Right, follow him.
What?
Follow him. When he pops the thing, you can eat the food.
Oh, in that guy.
Whoa, Roomba of death, look at him.
You're meant to be flying. Okay, yeah, go
How'd
eat
that bug not pop his goodies yet?
That's fine. I don't. Oh, I'm like, what is my arm doing?
Grab the rock in the spear. Keep heading left.
Pick it up, please.
Left.
As we see the young pup struggle to survive. All odds.
Daddies. Oh.
No, I mean you can just walk along where that.
Yeah, but there's nappy boys. Snappy boys, rather. Nappy
I mean,
boys.
I'm pretty sure there's going to be snappy boys in here.
Crocodile Rock.
Okay.
Keep going left.
God, my boy's so
Left.
slidey.
Keep going left.
Yeah, they do seem to be. Bleh.
Find the chasing the thing. You could sneak down there and eat those fruits if you wanted.
Uh oh.
Eat.
Eat! E.
No.
EA
No.
EA Sports.
Hold X to get spear out.
Hold X. Okay.
You're now armed. Up there.
Oh my god, this is such a roundabout way to get me to go anyway. Please. My boy. My boy. My boy.
My child.
Climb up one of the pipe. You can eat that bug there, to the left.
I'm just seeing. Yeah, that, okay. Where am I going?
You see where that little white pipe, arrow pipe is?
Yep, where we went last time.
Yep.
I'm doing it,
Right,
Dad.
and now you jump into that.
Oh, for fuck's sake.
It's fine. Your fall won't kill you. You'll land back where you just were.
Okay, I need to get... Okay.
So far, so good. Thump.
Okay.
Yep. Now go. That's where I think you need a quidcator because
What? Why didn't you...
I forgot about this until you got here.
Okay. Okay. Well, I made it...
Try. I said
You
try doing
might-
the leap across.
If you do a little leapy and throw while you leap, you might make it. Almost. Not quite.
Okay. Now what
Well,
the fuck am I-
okay, since we
you'll
know
have
you
to
can
go-
survive that, if you go there again, if you leap and then throw the spear at the wall, you'll have a thing to grab onto next time you get up there.
Okay.
So you want to head through that pipe to the left, and then you're back in lizard land.
Oh,
Head
Look,
left
food.
and up the thing. Yeah, you can try and get the food again.
All lizards seem to have had their fun.
get in the hole, please.
Nope, that was untrue.
Now there's two.
2?
My boy. Why did I throw the spear?
If the spear was on your back, you had to
I was
hold.
holding X to take it off. I just kept trying to chuck my pearl. Like, chuck it up. No, no you don't. No. Fight him for it. Fight him for it. Fight him for it.
Did I chuck?
On the upside, we no longer need all this karma. And next up will be 5 pebbles, and then we can also get 5 grains of gravel.